All right, what up, y'all? Hope y'all doing good. Today it's chilly, man. Fall is here. Got my long sleeves on, but got a job this morning. I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Just got the trailer. Oh shoot, you can't see nothing. I got the trailer all set up, ready to go. Real basic setup, but it's been getting the job done for me. Man, it's been about 4 months since I started my business, and I feel like work has been really consistent but slow. So probably averaging like between like 1 and 2 leads every week. So I'm thankful for that. But made a couple tweaks here and there in terms of my pricing and just trying to think about different ways to generate more leads, but also to make more money, to profit more money. But outside of that, man, I've been learning a lot, been enjoying it. It's fulfilling. It's fulfilling to have your own business, to build your own brand, even with all the different mistakes and the different lessons I'm learning. That's part of it. So anyway, I got one job this morning. It's just a basic, like she wants the carport, software, so some like spider webs. She wants the driveway and the sidewalk. And so, quick story about this. I was going door to door and hanging up door hangers, and I walked up on this older lady, and she, sweet lady, and I just tried to approach her in a friendly manner, and I was just, hey ma'am, I'm out in the neighborhood. I have a local pressure washing business and would love to see if you are interested in my services. And I quoted her for the carport, the driveway, and the sidewalk. And she's like, yeah, I'll call you back, because it was some rain that was coming that week. Fast forward 3 weeks later, this random number called my business number, and I answered, and she's like, do you remember me? I said, can you remind me your name? And her name is Artezh, Artis. And I was like, oh yeah, I remember you, because my name is Artezh. And so she was like, can you come out soon and do my carport? I said, yes, ma'am, I can do that. And so basically, I forgot what I quoted her initially, and she asked me, hey, how much would it be for the carport, the driveway, and the sidewalk? And I said 95. I know I'm, it's low, but anyway, regardless, she said, you know what? You actually said 100 at first. That's how I know you honest. I was like, oh, because I completely forgot. But anyway, it helps to be honest, because, when you're honest, it's better to be consistent, But regardless, I just thought that was kind of cool just to see how, even that she trusted me, because the quote was pretty close. So anyway, I'm all packed up. Take y'all along with me, and stay tuned. All right, y'all, just got here, kind of set up already. Got my cones. Go talk to the homeowner. Hey, how you doing?
Okay.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. But I'm finna get.
Okay.
I don't know why I meant to catch you on this side. Let me go around here.
Okay.
But you gonna do what around here?
This walkway.
In the front of my house.
Yes, ma'am.
The house.
The house. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just where you see all this stuff right
Yeah.
here. Well, you got the water out here.
Right.
It's not that hard of a pressure wash it to do. They're gonna make my windows and stuff.
Well, I can soft wash it, so it's pressure and it's soft.
You know your job, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm messing with you.
Yeah, so just talk to the homeowner. Get everything situated. But make sure you're good, nice size driveway, yard, and all that good stuff. So we're gonna get her right. Stay tuned.
I don't deny that some strange evolutionary process is going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. In fact, that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Forget
All right, y'all, so I'm done with the property 3 hours later. Turned out really nice. Man, I'm struggling with these shades. Turned out really nice. Pre-treated, I mean, not pre-treated, I post-treated, but I'm waiting for the concrete to dry. Sidewalk. Driveway. As you can tell, property line, the neighbors and hers. This is probably the biggest sidewalk I've done to date, and boy, it was some work. Then the carport, obviously still drying. But man, I'm gonna check in with y'all real quick to share some real talk, what I've been learning. But yeah, good job. I'm about to head out. So I wrapped up that job. Man, it took me 3 hours. Definitely longer than I wanted it to be. But, well, it wasn't longer than I wanted it to be. It's just I didn't get paid as much as I think I should have got paid. And the reason why, I'm about to be real and transparent with y'all. So like, the day when I met this lady, I was going door to door and hanging out my flyers or door hangers. And at the time, I was just trying to just generate a lot of leads and taking a risk, pricing myself really low just to get people to bite. But lesson learned, I'm not doing it anymore. In fact, I stopped doing it about a week ago. But I was desperate, I was desperate at the time because I was just starting and I just wanted more work. And I figured if I did it at a very, very cheap price, then I get more people, which it really wasn't the case. Like I said, I've been getting 1 or 2 leads, like every week, but I was desperate that day. And because I was desperate, trying to be, generous, she got a really good deal. She got, and I wouldn't say a whole house wash, because the whole house wash is the roof, the siding, but it was 2 different sides of her house. It was the carport, the driveway was massive, sidewalk, and front porch, all for $100. Again, just being transparent. In any market, that's really cheap, and I can't be profitable, if I had too many of those, and I'm not. And so I think a lesson learned for me, and I come to this realization, I gotta make my time worth it. I want to build a profitable business, but I got to be patient. So if I set my prices at a higher rate, then, and I may not have as many leads, that's okay. I just got to be patient. I know I got the work. I got the previous work, a portfolio, if you will, of good work, before and after pictures and all that stuff. And so I just got to trust, that my brand gonna build that way. And so anyway, she was obviously happy, grateful of the job that I did and the money that she had to pay. But moving forward, I'm just not doing that, because that's not helpful for my business. And so it's a lesson learned, a hard lesson learned at that. But hopefully I enjoy, this process, me trying to take y'all, behind the scenes. But yeah, man, being a business owner, you take a lot of L's, but you can pivot because it's my own business and because it's in the beginning of the phases. I can pivot quickly. And so I'll keep y'all posted as always. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you can know when you getting more content, when I'm dropping more videos. And thank you for joining this journey. All right, y'all, until next time.